Hi and welcome to CTEK. I'm Tony Zeal and in this tutorial I'll be unboxing our CT5 Time to Go battery charger and maintainer. But before I start, I'd like to say a big thank you for buying CTEK. Okay, let's see what's in the box. This is the Time to Go charger, and as you can see it's got a tough sealed plastic case, a power lead and a charge cable with CTEK's unique Easy Fit Comfort Connect system. You also get a clamp lead for quick connection to the battery. And there's an M6 eyelet lead for a more permanent connection if your battery is difficult to get to. Both of these leads have the Comfort Connect plugs, so you can connect them to the charger quickly and securely. It also means you can add other CTEK accessories fitted with the Comfort Connect system if you need them. Finally, there's a fold-out instruction leaflet which shows you how to use the charger and gives you all the tech specs, along with a guide to the CTX range of accessories. Well, that's the CT5 Time to Go unboxed. Thanks for watching.